Hello, in this video I'm going to help you insert shapes in Keynote for iPad in way less than 1 minute. What you'll want to do is you want to come up here, and right here is the shapes icon. So you'll press there, and then you can scroll and you'll find many different ones. If I'm scrolling to the right, they're categorized. However, you can come over here to the search icon and you can type in what you want. For example, if I'm looking for a microphone, I can do that here. Oops, I had a typo. And here's a nice microphone. And then of course, I'll just press it. And here it is. And I can do things like resize it. I can come up here to the paintbrush, and that's where I can change the color, etc. So that is how you insert the shape in Keynote for the iPad. I'll show you how to do it one more time. I'm leaving the format screen here to give us a little bit more space. And what I'll do is I'll come up here one more time. I'm touching the shape button, and this time I'm going to look for a house. I could do it this way and I would find it fairly efficiently, but I'll touch on the magnifying glass and I'll type in house. And here's a beautiful house that I can use for my home button. I hope this helps. Please let me know if I can help you.